Hey everyone, I'm just showing you a little example of what parts you might find on a window regulator in most all vehicles, and what we make that's a little bit different. So most of the time when your window breaks, it's a regulator problem, and the reason that it breaks is because these regulators are made with these plastic pieces here. This is a pulley wheel, this is a cable guide, and this is a spring tensioner. And a lot of times what will happen is the cables may rip completely out of this cable guide because the cables are metal, so they'll rip straight through the plastic. Or these little pulley wheels are actually placed in a position on the regulator that takes most of the load. So what happens is these little perforations on the pulley wheel are designed to break in a very specific way. So once this has had enough use and it's got a lot of weight on it, it will shatter into pieces. So what we do is we actually machine in our shop. We machine our own pulley wheels here. So we make our own parts out of metal. We also have metal cable guides that are designed to be a lot stronger, and we have aluminum spring tensioners as well. So these are very strong. They're intended to be a permanent fix for these regulators, and that's what makes our business different. And it doesn't matter if it's a Toyota or a Chevy or a Volkswagen or a Bentley or a Jaguar. All of these regulators are made with the same cheap plastic pieces. I actually have a window regulator. This is from a Jaguar S-Type, and you can see that it still has the same cheap plastic pulley wheels. It's got all the same plastic pieces that you would find on a Honda Civic or whatever. So it doesn't matter if you've got a luxury car or a daily driver for work, they all have the same cheap plastic in them. So what our whole business is founded on is making quality parts that are going to last a lifetime. And we pride ourselves on doing high quality repairs, and you know, we don't ever want to do a job twice. You also may be able to find some cheap parts online that you can replace yourself, but more often than not, we find that those parts fail within 6 months of install, if not right out of the box. So unless you're selling the vehicle and you just want to get rid of it and get it fixed quickly for cheap, you really want to make a good financial investment in a high quality repair with something that you're not going to have to do twice or 3 times or even 4 times. So give us a call, check out our website. You can search through there and find a lot more information about what we do. And you can even call if you have questions and talk to a technician or a diagnostic tech. We hope to hear from you, and we'll put out some more information on our blog next month. So we'll see you then. Thanks, guys.